6 billion pounds of spaghetti are consumed by Americans each year. Inside the large-scale production line, where tradition meets modern technology, reveals the fascinating steps that transform simple ingredients into one of the world's most loved foods. Durum wheat, renowned for its high protein content and strong gluten properties, stands as the top choice for pasta production. Upon arrival at the processing facility, this valuable wheat is stored in large silos. In these silos, it undergoes an initial cleaning process designed to remove impurities such as stones, dirt, and other foreign materials. This step ensures that the wheat is as pure as possible before further processing begins. After this initial cleaning, the conditioned wheat is moved to the milling section. Here, it is ground into semolina, which is the coarse flour specifically used for pasta making. The milling process is quite intricate and involves a series of rollers and sifters. These machines work in stages to progressively crush the wheat grains while separating the bran from the endosperm. Modern milling machinery is highly automated and sophisticated, capable of making precise adjustments to grinding pressure and sifting speed. This ensures that the resulting semolina is uniformly fine. Once the semolina is produced, it undergoes a final purification process to ensure it is completely free of any remaining bran particles. With the semolina now purified and ready, it is transported to the mixing area. Here, it is combined with water and eggs to create dough. Industrial mixers, which are capable of handling several tons of semolina at once, thoroughly mix these ingredients together. The ratio of water to semolina is meticulously controlled to achieve the ideal dough consistency, which is crucial for the extrusion process that follows. Extruding dough into large sheets before shaping it into spaghetti provides several key advantages that are essential for maintaining quality and consistency. This process ensures a uniform distribution of moisture and ingredients throughout the dough, which is vital for achieving a consistent texture in the final product. Extruders are equipped with dies, which are metal plates featuring numerous holes. The dough is forced through these holes to create long, thin strands of spaghetti. The material and design of the dies are critical factors that influence the texture and cooking properties of the spaghetti. In modern pasta factories, extruders are highly automated, featuring sensors and control systems that ensure the dough is extruded at the optimal pressure and temperature, contributing to the quality of the final product. Once extruded, the spaghetti is carefully transported throughout the factory using specialized hanging stands. These stands, which are often integrated into an automated conveyor system, are designed to support the delicate strands of spaghetti as they move through various stages of production. The spaghetti is suspended from rods or hooks on these stands, which travel along a network of tracks. This method is specifically designed to minimize breakage and maintain the integrity of the long spaghetti strands. By using these specialized stands, the factory can ensure that the spaghetti is handled gently and efficiently throughout the production process, preserving its quality until it is packaged and ready for distribution. As the spaghetti moves through the factory, it enters drying chambers, where it undergoes meticulously controlled drying processes. The hanging method facilitates even airflow around each strand, ensuring uniform drying. This step is crucial for maintaining the spaghetti's texture and quality. After drying, the spaghetti is cut to the desired length using automated cutting machines. These machines perform precise cuts to ensure uniform length, which is important for both aesthetic appeal and packaging efficiency. Following the cutting process, the spaghetti is transported to the packaging area, where advanced automated machinery takes over. These sophisticated machines, equipped with conveyors and sensors, work together to bundle the spaghetti into predetermined portions. Initially, the spaghetti strands are aligned and grouped into specific weights or quantities. The system handles the delicate strands with care to prevent breakage. Once grouped, the portions are fed into packaging units, where they are wrapped in either plastic or cardboard materials. The packaging materials are typically sourced from large rolls or stacks, and the machines precisely cut and seal them around the spaghetti portions. Labeling machines then apply labels to each package, including essential product information such as weight, nutritional content, and expiration dates. These labels are printed in real time to ensure they are accurate and comply with regulatory standards. The packaged spaghetti is subsequently conveyed to automated boxing stations. Here, the packages are placed into larger cartons for shipping. These cartons are labeled for distribution and stacked onto pallets by robotic palletizers. The pallets are then prepared for transportation to retailers or warehouses. This large-scale production process seamlessly integrates traditional craftsmanship with modern technology. The automated approach meets high demand while maintaining the integrity, texture, and taste of the product, ensuring that every strand of spaghetti upholds the quality standards expected by consumers worldwide.